Hello, my name is Corina Rijnhout and today I have an unboxing video for you. We have some new tools by Studio Light and they belong in the Essentials collection. And we have 3 jelly plates. One with the size 5 by 7 inch, also the size in millimeters is 127 by 178. Then there is another one and that has the size 8 by 10 inch, 203 millimeters by 254. And really the biggest one we have, well, let's put this one aside, and that is 9 by 12 inch. So here are the sizes 228 millimeter by 304 millimeters. Well, it's a really thick one, so I think it's a lot of fun to play with. To make big projects, you can put it in half when you're ready. That's the jelly plates. And I put this one over here so there's no blinking, I hope. And well, what do we have more? There is a gel printing plate pressure tool. So you can give it a little bit of pressure on it. But what did I see when I opened it? There are small dots. So you can play also with the dots on your plate to give it some extras. On the back there are all explanations how to use the tools on the jelly plates, so that's really great. Then we have, well, so much fun, 2 of these ones, and these are, well, set of 2 scratch scrapers, I'm sorry, I couldn't say the right word. Set of 2 scrapers, and this one has some holes in it. Well, let's open it, come on, don't be silly, open it. Well, how? It's really sealed well. Sorry for the noise, but I want to show you the holes in it. When you're working with paint, well, you can make some moves on your gel printing plates or on your gel plate, and then you have the structure of this one. And there is a smaller one with some other angles, and we have some, well, it looks like waves. Now I'm going to open everything. Okay, let's do it. And these are scrapers. Are there names for it? Oh, these are the edges. And what are these? Also edges. Oh, you can see the edges on the paper. These are, for me, are some waves. Yes. And some smaller. So, these are the scrapers you can use on the gel plate. And what do we have more? Well, let's give this another place. Shall I show it like this? Would that be nice? Well, then I have to show the pressure tool also on it. But not all the plastics. That's a kind of shimmer that's not nice. Look at that. I'm put it upside down. And then there is a brayer. It's 3 and 3¼ inch. This is the size. Shall I open it? Shall I do it? Yes, because I want to use it today. Not in the video. This is an unboxing video. Later you can see, I think on my own YouTube channel, some things I'm done with it. Oh, this one is really nice. Yes. I have to clean it a little bit. I do that with water. There's some paper on it. Oh, that's not bad. So this is the other one. and I love it. Every tool we have stands the butterfly and studio light. And then we have this one, and that's not for the jelly plates. This is for your decoupage and when you work with inks. And well, I'm going to give this one also a better look. The brush is, oh well, that's better. When you use your decoupage glue, I couldn't find the right word, sorry. You can better move it. Yes, it's a really nice brush. Oh, I love the biggest one. You never lost it. Well, these are the new tools from Studio Light. I hope you like them. I love them. And I see you on the next video. Bye all.